hot girl summer.
Shawty, you like you, big swag, I shot like you did. Now I got my feelings at the door. Man, I feel so stupid, romance I ain't fluid. Could you teach me a thing or two more? It's the type of sonic goodies that make you wanna do.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do another vlog for you guys. Not sure what I'm really doing this week, but I'm gonna vlog anyways. But right now I am about to go pick up my friend Sam and we're gonna go get some sushi. Anyways, my outfit today is so cute. I'm wearing this like Wilson tube top, which is like a tennis top, and then for my skirt I'm wearing like this white denim low rise. It's giving Y2K, it's giving car girl. These are the shoes I'm wearing. They're kind of high, so I cannot drive with them on. Hi guys, so I'm with Sam. She's gonna take over for a bit. So we had plans to go get sushi. They're closed until 4:30 and it's like 2:30 right now, so yeah. We're killing time. Killing time with boba. We're right by my mom's shop, so we're gonna go say hi to my mom. We're at Delicious Boba. And we're at my mom's shop. Gorgeous, immaculate, astronomical. And my mom is currently working. So today I woke up with a really sore throat and I feel like I'm just like coughing all day. Also the noise in the back is just me doing the laundry. Today I am going to be bringing a whole bunch of my clothes that I don't want anymore. I'm gonna bring them to Plato's Closet. Whatever I can't sell, I'm just gonna go and bring it to the thrift store. Just kind of getting rid of a lot of stuff in my closet. My closet is super full and I'm just thinking realistically, when I move, I'm not gonna want any of that stuff here. Getting rid of it sooner than later, especially since I have so much, it's gonna take a while. And I've been posting a lot of stuff on Poshmark too, so even though I'm donating and selling a lot of these clothes, I still have a whole bunch that I am selling on my Poshmark, so go check out my Poshmark. By the time this video comes out, I should have a lot of stuff on my Poshmark. Other than that though, my hair looks so pretty. And also, I think I'm gonna be hanging out with Sam again later. She might just come over and we might just go chill by the poolside or something. It's just a chill day for me today, so I'm wearing this white tank from Forever 21. And then I'm wearing these pink sweats that are like low rise. They're super cute and I don't remember where I got them. I think I just thrifted them, but they're so freaking cute. I sold everything, and everything I couldn't sell, I just brought it to Goodwill, which I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna see what cute stuff they have inside, so thrift shopping. Plato's Closet gave me $30 for what was in those 2 bags. They only took a few pieces, so either way, I was gonna get rid of it anyways. So yeah, we're gonna spend the money they gave me at Goodwill. I'm just bored. I just want to see what they got inside. I'm back home. Let's open this package from my managing team. A lot of you guys do not know, but yes, I do have an agency. They help me a lot. They help me with my emails and getting deals. They're also super sweet. Okay, merch. See, I love their merch because it's super comfy, so I like to wear them to sleep. Oh yes, a tote, which I always use when I go grocery shopping. And then we have a cup. Oh my god. We love the color of the straw. Look at that. Love that. Now I have 2, and this one is super cute. Let me show you guys what I got from the thrift store. I got this black tube top, but I actually got this from Plato's Closet. It's originally from Free People, and then I got it for $8. My favorite purchase from Goodwill was this. This is like, you can put your chips on this side, your salsa on this side. It is just so cute. This matches my aesthetic so freaking well. I got this cute little vase. It was only like $2. And then I got this last little heart-shaped thing. Lastly, I got 3 picture frames. So there's this one here, which is smaller, and we have this one here. This one is basically like the same. And in total, I spent $13 at Goodwill. We're at the pool. We're just chilling.
On this cloudy ass day.
Yeah. It feels good. There's literally no sun, but I finally got to use this.
Oh, sorry.
I'm very proud of it.
Yeah, you should.
Ain't no way it did it. No, it didn't. We also have our drinks. It's vodka and strawberry, watermelon, limeade. And I have pink lemonade. And she's having lemonade.
No, she's having virgin.
Virgin, whatever we're having. That's what she's having.
See you guys next time.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much.
Hello guys, so I am currently out with somebody.
I can't fucking do this shit, bro.
We're back.
We sound so stupid. This is the first time where I feel like we're both black hair now.
I know.
Weird.
But hi guys. I'm with Char. Today we are just doing whatever. Running
errands.
We still got it. We still got it.
It's been a fat minute, but we're gonna go get some jampa. Their acai bowls are so good, guys.
They're okay.
No, I think what is that one place that's
Nectar.
Yeah, theirs is way
They're
better.
so good.
They're way better. But I just like the peanut butter in this one.
We are at Ulta because she needed to buy conditioner. I don't think I need any makeup, but I'm just looking around. Queen, absolute queen. She's on call. I don't know what I want.
But you don't need anything.
I know, right?
But I'm gonna look at some makeup. I've seen some makeup on TikTok that I've been wanting to try, so.
So the next day, Sam and I prepared for our picnic day. We're making Japanese fruit sandwiches. We just added strawberries, super cute. This has been trending everywhere, so we wanted to try it for our picnic. So tomorrow we're planning to paddleboard and then go do our picnic, but sadly, future Sandy is speaking and these sandwiches did not last till the picnic. They were all melted, but we did try one this night and it was so freaking good. Anyways, back to hot girl festivities.
Hi guys, so it's another day and today me and Sam, we're gonna go paddleboarding and we're gonna have a picnic. So we have like a whole bunch of cute stuff prepared. Alright guys, so we're on our way to go paddleboard and have our picnic and we prepared so much stuff, so we're super excited. And Sam is driving. We almost got into a car accident, but we're good. Like we didn't just go all the way to the other lane without realizing. Yeah, we're chilling. But we're gonna go paddleboard and stuff in Minneapolis. I've never done it in Minnesota. The last time I did it was in Texas, so I'm very excited. But Sam, she does this a lot. Yeah. Hopefully we get like really cute pictures and stuff. I really want a cute picture on the paddleboard. And she looks hot. She's wearing this like red swimsuit. We love. I'm just wearing a basic black one, but I love the color because my black hair. Anyways, I will see you guys when we're literally probably out there.
I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Yeah. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired.
So, we are now done. Take some picture in the street actually. Right now? Okay, guys, I look like a mess. Hot girl summer!
On the roof, it's like they're calling.
You need some help with your pictures?
Right
You
now,
just
but
look,
thank you.
you look fabulous.
Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and take away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na my favorite chiffon.
Hi guys, good morning. So I just woke up and it's almost 3:30 p.m. and yesterday I had a really fun day. You know, we went paddleboarding, we went on our little picnic. I barely recorded the picnic. Oh my god, I look so crusty. If you thought that was a real picnic, we took quite a bit of time just setting everything up. It was quite a lot, but I had so much fun. And Sam also brought some of her friends. So there was Hoshi and Ellis and they were super cool. Also, I look really gross. This is just how I'm looking and I'm literally blind as shit and I can't find my glasses. Oh, I see them. Yeah, we love a crusty whore. Anyways, I know I haven't really been talking much in this video. I genuinely hope this video is somewhat entertaining. I honestly took such cute pictures yesterday, so I'm so excited for my motherfucking thumbnail of this video. I think this one is so cute. Like, look at me. Yeah, she got ass. No titties though, sadly. I really like this photo I got. It's just like a cute, you know, like I'm at the beach. And also, I self-tanned 2 nights ago. Literally the night before I was gonna go paddleboarding and stuff. I don't think I washed it off good enough because I was tan as shit yesterday. But like, I look hot. It's hot girl summer. Anyways, I feel really good. I can't describe how good it feels to not wake up with anxiety. I honestly think last month was pretty hard for me. When you're in the moment, it feels pretty shitty, you know, but like when you wake up without anxiety, you realize how terrible it was waking up with it. So I'm so glad I haven't had anxiety for like the past week and a half. Like, obviously I feel it a little, but it's not as bad, and so I'm very grateful and I feel so good. And I genuinely think waking up with anxiety is something I'm gonna have to deal with forever. It's just like a matter of like, how am I gonna learn to cope with it, because I feel like the older you get, the more problems you have. Something that really helps with the anxiety for me is, which I learned from Emma Chamberlain. I was listening to her podcast because I'm a podcast girl now. She basically said that if you feel like you have anxiety at night, most of the time when you wake up, half of the anxiety is gone. And so like last night, I low-key was feeling it a little. And then I just told myself, if you wake up in the morning, most likely you're not gonna feel it as bad. And so I kind of just like woke myself out of that and I was like, no, you're not going in a rabbit hole. Not right now. Not after such a long, beautiful ass day. If you're somebody that feels anxiety, just know I feel it too. I feel like a lot of people do feel it, so you're not alone. It really does help like listening to the experiences of others and see how they cope with it, and then see if like that's something that helps you, because it definitely helps me. And yeah, here's to being the baddest bitch on the block. Yeah.
Now I'm gonna eat some ramen. I have not eaten ramen in so long, you guys have no idea. So I low-key was craving it today. So usually I can't eat the whole pack, so I only eat half of it. And then I add an egg and some beef paste. This is probably my favorite ramen to eat. I feel like it just tastes the best. It's delicious, the noodles are soft, and it tastes so freaking good with eggs.
So I'm just eating some noodles and watermelon. So you guys know I really love watching dramas. I'm currently super up to date with Alchemy of Souls. Love that drama. It's on Netflix. But recently I've been watching Love the Way You Are. It's a C-drama, so it's a Chinese drama. It's really good. Extremely predictable, but I love dramas like that.
对人的那一份善良，我喜欢你对梦想的坚持，待在一起的每一刻。
아무렇지 않은 척 하지만 흔들리는 시선이 헤매이다 그대에게 표정을 들킬까 조마조마